Gently close your eyes and get comfortable, whether you're sitting in a chair or lying down. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then breathe out. One more time. As you breathe in, think about the fresh air and oxygen filling your body. Hold, and as you breathe out, imagine letting go of all the stress from the day. Let's do this a few more times. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Releasing any tension. Now, pay attention to the sounds around you. Maybe you hear the hum of a fan, distant voices, or just silence. Just notice them. Next, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas that feel tense. Maybe your shoulders, your neck, or your lower back. As you breathe in, gently tense that muscle, hold, and then release. And as you breathe out, let the muscle relax completely. Do this with any other tight areas. Breathe in, hold, and then let go. Feel your body getting lighter and more relaxed with each breath. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Remember, as you breathe in again, feel that fresh air and oxygen feel in your body. Hold and breathe out. Imagine letting go of all the stress from the day. Now, just rest in this calm feeling. Breathe naturally, no rush, no effort, just peace. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath and slowly open your eyes, feeling relaxed and refreshed.